This is a 2015 Nissan Titan Pro-4X. My name is Thomas and welcome to Fish Creek Nissan. Just like all other Titans, this is powered by a 5.6 liter V8 engine, and this one of course is four-wheel drive. Currently it has less than 60,000 kilometers on it and is priced at $26,998, and if you decide to finance that over 84 months with zero down, it comes out to $198 plus tax bi-weekly. Some of the features include the all-season tires, Bluetooth capabilities, rear view camera, power rear window, and of course, because this is the Pro-4X edition, this comes with the skid plates as well as the rear differential lock. Those are just a few of the highlights on this 2015 Nissan Titan Pro-4X. For more information, feel free to stop by here at the pre-owned lot at Fish Creek Nissan or just give us a call. And if you like what we do here at Fish Creek Nissan, feel free to follow us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and check us out on Instagram. My name is Thomas, and thanks for watching.